Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the power button action in this device. By default, when you tap and hold on the power button, now you can see it is for the voice assistant. Okay, so we already know in previous all the devices, just tap and hold on the power button, it will switch off the device. But in new devices, just tap and hold on the power button, it will go to the voice assistant. So let me show you how to change the power button action. For this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on additional settings, then tap on the option power button. Tap on this one, then tap on the option press and hold the power button, then select the option power menu. Okay, now tap and hold on the power button. Now you can see the window for restart and switch off the device. So simply in this way you can change the power button action in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.